Welcome to next video in the C tutorials. In this video, we are going to see multi-dimensional array or three-dimensional array. This multi-dimensional or three-dimensional array is a collection of two-dimensional array. Like collection of 2D array is known as three-dimensional array. So we will get more idea when you see the simple example. See here, for example purpose, I have considered two-dimensional arrays like 1, 2, 3, 4 is a one two-dimensional array and 5, 6, 7, 8 is another two-dimensional array. So at output side we want to print these numbers like this. So you can call three-dimensional array, which means here we need to take like a square bracket of square bracket of square bracket. We need to take three square brackets. In the first square bracket we need to mention the number of two-dimensional arrays. So here we have one-dimensional array, here we have one 2D array and two 2D array. We have two 2D arrays. So here I am mentioning the size of array like 2, and here we need to mention number of rows. The number of rows are 2, and here we need to mention number of columns, which are also 2. So this is a declaration of three-dimensional array. So it is nothing but combination of two-dimensional arrays. Now let us make the program on this three-dimensional array. So for that purpose I am taking one array variable. I am initializing the array as 2. Let us take complete array. It is of three-dimensional array. So we have two-dimensional arrays and with 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is the initialization of array. Next I want to take another 3 int data type variables like I, j, k for initialization purpose. So here I am advising the user like enter the elements of the array. Like this I am advising the user, and that elements I am going to scan in the array. Like I am using 3 for loops. At outer end for loop, this is starting from index 0 when I less than or equals to 1. So it is of only two-dimensional arrays. Now I is a representation of this square bracket. So 0 and when less than or equals to 1, up to there only I am taking I plus plus. Now in the braces of this for loop I am taking another for loop. Like here I am initializing the row with j variable. Now inside this for loop I am initializing another for loop. So here I am taking 3 for loops. Now in this I am using scanf statement. Like I want to scan the value in the, here I am giving I, here I am giving j, here k. So now again I want to print the values of this. Now here I am taking another for loop, printf. So this is a for loop I am taking for to print the elements of the array. So this is a for loops I am taken for to scan the elements to the array. So again here I need to remove this thing. I am giving gap like this. After completion of one array I want to print a line like this. Now after one row of elements I want to print in next line. So here I am using like this. So now if I run the program, we can see the things. Now it is asking enter the elements of the array. like I am giving 1, right? Now you can see it is printing successfully 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is of one array and this is of another array. So this is all about the three-dimensional array, or you can say multi-dimensional array.